We made a fountain for our patio this week. This is how we did it. First, we have to go pot shopping. There's so many cool things to see there. And so many pots to choose from. Our plan was to put a small pot and into a big pot. Then had a pump go through the middle. Pots are really heavy. These are the ones that we finally picked. We put a black nursery pot inside a big pot. Then fill the small pot with rocks. Then the small pot sat on top of the black pot. The small pot was a little too high. Cut a hole in the plastic pot to make it sit lower. Much better. Now it's time to install the pump. This is our pump with a few feet of half-inch tubing connected to it. The electrical cord for this pump needs to fit through this hole, so we used a hammer and chisel to make a hole bigger. Perfect now. Now it's time to plug the hole around the cord. We used water putty and Flex Seal to make it waterproof. First, we used the water putty to fill the hole. After it's all dry, cover it in Flex Seal. And spray the bottom too. Move the fountain where you want it and then fill it up. We moved it to our patio to fill it up. Now it's time to put it all together. We cut down the tubing to make it shorter. Then put all the rocks in. Turn it on and you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.